Hello and welcome to the Eclectic Kitchen. Today we're making pan bread, a soft and tasty bread you can make on your stovetop, no oven required. Let's get started. To a bowl, add 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of whole wheat flour, 6 grams of salt, 6 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of yeast. Give it a quick mix to distribute the ingredients evenly. Next, add 150 ml of water, 80 ml of milk, and 20 ml of olive oil. I'm also adding in about half a tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary. It's optional but adds a nice flavor. Mix everything together with a wooden spoon until it's all combined and you don't see any more dry flour. Cover the bowl and let sit for about an hour. It doesn't have to double in size, but you should see a noticeable rise. Once it's ready, take the dough and start stretching it. Lift, rotate and slap it onto your work surface about 8 to 12 times. This helps develop the gluten, and by the last slap you should see the top of the dough start to smooth out. It will still be sticky, so a bench scraper comes in really handy here. Cover it back up and let rise for another hour. After the second rise, place the dough on a floured surface. Pull the edges toward the center, then flip it over so the seam side is down. Use your palms to rotate and tighten into a nice smooth ball. Brush your pan with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Transfer the dough into the pan, lightly oil the top and press it out gently with your fingers to even out. It doesn't have to get to the edges of the pan. Cover and let rest for 30 minutes. Now let's bake. Turn your stove to the lowest heat setting, place the pan on the burner and cook covered for about 20 minutes. I've never had it burn, but I wouldn't recommend leaving it completely unattended. Check in every few minutes, just in case. After 20 minutes, gently remove the lid and flip the bread. You can use a plate to help flip it over, but I like to live dangerously. I just flip the whole pan over the bread. Cover it again and cook for another 10 minutes. Flip it one more time, check the edges and give the center a tap. If it sounds hollow, you're good. Mine needed about 5 more minutes to finish up. Once it's done, turn off the heat, keep the pan covered and let it steam for another 10 minutes. Remove from the pan and let it cool. And that's it, your bread is done. Soft, chewy and perfect with sauces, soups or just a drizzle of olive oil. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes. Until then, enjoy and have a great day!